Hi, this is Carl Daniels, Manager of Active Sport and Leisure in Carmarthenshire County Council. Here at Active, we're very mindful that you are part of our community, and since our lockdown and shutdown in the middle of March, we're mindful that you may be wondering what's going on with the staff who normally provide you with activity and the sites that normally enable you to get active. What are they actually up to? So we wanted to bring you this communication. Hopefully it'll just be a minute or so. There's a lot to squeeze in, but just to bring you as up to date as possible. So since closing, we've been incredibly busy, which some people may not think would be the case. Obviously, shutting down in itself brings lots of things with it. We are trying to do our best to save all of the energy that we can. Even turning down pools to a lower temperature comes with its issues. We need to make sure that the pool tiles don't crack off because the temperature drops so quickly, for example. So there's lots of work being done within the facilities to make sure that we safely reduce energy. As you know, we've been freezing memberships, which was good news for you, I hope, that you didn't actually have to do anything to make sure that money wasn't taken out of your account for services you weren't going to receive. So that's all frozen, and it'll remain frozen for the period of closure. And refunds, if you haven't yet had an update on refunds, anybody who paid within the month of March to receive services, your refunds are either just about to land in your bank account or they're very much on their way. Nothing you need to do, it'll come and land in your bank account and you receive a communication to let you know how much that will be. The leisure centres themselves, you may be aware that 2 of them, Llanelli and Carmarthen, have been converted into field hospitals, and hopefully you're as proud as we are to know that the facilities you normally frequent are really getting in the front line to help fight the situation that we're in. We all pray and hope that those field hospitals won't be used anywhere in the UK, let alone in Carmarthenshire. But if they're needed because of patient increases and NHS needs, then they are there ready for use. But please be absolutely assured that they will be clean, clear and actually improved when they reopen for you. I'm sure you've got lots of questions about the reopening situation. I think the whole country has. We, in the next publication, which probably will be week commencing the 11th of May, will hopefully have more detail that we can share with you around potential timescales, how it will work, how that might affect you in terms of payments. So you'll have lots of questions, I'm sure, but we'll get into that in the next video blog. Other things that we've been up to, the NERS team, exercise referral team. We've got lots of people within Carmarthenshire who've been referred to us for exercise programmes, and largely they're people who've suffered chronic conditions, which could be stroke, heart attack, frailty and falls, etc. So we are doing our best to look after them in this situation. It's not easy, but we are making calls to them every week. We've got exercise programmes for them to follow at home. That's what our NERS staff are up to, our Active Communities team. You may well have noticed on social media that we're pushing out Skill of the Week. I will say, without adding the detail, that we very soon will be significantly enhancing our digital content. So for all of you family and fitness enthusiasts at home and people who just want to get active and have a steer from us, we will be launching something very soon, so keep your eyes peeled for that. One of the biggest things with our staff is the redeployment situation. So you may be aware that lots of our people who normally are fitness instructors or receptionists or school link officers, etc., are actually being deployed currently to work in lots of different roles throughout the county. So they may be in care homes, they may be taking cleaning roles on, we're helping in the PPE stores. There's lots of things that we're doing throughout the county, and hopefully we're incredibly proud. Again, I keep using the word proud because I am, and you should be. We're the people who normally try to do our best to make the population have a good activity levels and good well-being, and we're still doing that. So hopefully we're not serving you in maybe the activity sector, but be proud of us and our staff out there, because they really are hitting the front line and trying to keep the wheels of Carmarthenshire turning. One of the things that we've done recently, and it's actually featured around here somewhere, whether you're watching this on social media or in the newsletter or in the blog section of our website, there is a fantastic video there of some of our Active Communities team helping to set up the field hospitals. So if you haven't seen inside one of the field hospitals yet, I urge you to watch that video. It's got Howell Thomas, our Active Communities coordinator, fronting it up. but there's lots of images which show you exactly what our staff are up to in the field hospitals and how they're taking shape, ready to be used if and when. So that's it from me for this edition. You can keep up to date with what's going on with Active on our Facebook page, on our Twitter page, in the newsletter if you receive that, but there is also a brand new blog section to our website which is found at active.wales. The link will be here somewhere depending where you're watching this, so have a look there. There's lots of useful content, and stay safe, stay home, save lives, save the NHS, and I'll see you again week commencing 11th of May.